The all-weather tyre war just got hotter. Nokian launches the brand new Remedy WRG5 in 2024, aiming to challenge the Michelin CrossClimate 2, a proven benchmark in the three-peak mountain snowflake certified segment. But can Nokian's deep winter expertise dethrone Michelin's dominance? Let's dive into the data. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's 2025 all-weather tyre test. In wet braking, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops 9.5 feet shorter than the Nokian Remedy WRG5, giving Michelin an 8% advantage in stopping power. In wet handling, both tyres are nearly identical, with the CrossClimate 2 completing the lap just 0.07 seconds faster, translating to a merely 0% difference in lap time. Subjective wet handling score shows a 2.5% advantage for CrossClimate 2, rated at 9.5 points versus 9 points for the WRG5. Straight line aquaplaning resistance is also slightly better for CrossClimate 2, maintaining control at 52 miles per hour, just 0.5 miles per hour faster than the WRG5. In snow braking, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops 0.46 feet shorter than the Nokian Remedy WRG5, giving Michelin a 1% advantage in stopping power on snowy surfaces. In snow traction, the CrossClimate 2 accelerates 0.03 seconds faster, completing the test 3.21 seconds against 3.24 seconds of the WRG5. Snow handling times are nearly identical, with the CrossClimate 2 finishing just 0.02 seconds quicker. In ice braking, Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops 3.5 feet shorter than the Nokian Remedy WRG5, giving Michelin a 9% advantage in stopping power on icy roads. However, ice traction, the WRG5 accelerates 0.18 seconds faster, translating to a 2% improvement compared to the CrossClimate 2. In dry braking, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops 11.9 feet shorter than the Nokian Remedy WRG5, giving Michelin a 9% advantage. However, in dry handling, WRG5 is 0.22 seconds faster, completing the lap in 73.63 seconds. Both tyres receive identical subjective dry handling scores of 9.75 points, indicating similar driver confidence and stability on dry roads. In subjective comfort, the Nokian Remedy WRG5 holds a 2.5% advantage, scoring 9 points versus 8.5 points for the Michelin CrossClimate 2, suggesting a smoother ride. In subjective noise perception, the WRG5 is also rated 2.5% higher, with a 9.5 points versus 9 points for the CrossClimate 2, indicating a quieter experience. However, in measured exterior noise, the CrossClimate 2 is slightly quieter by 0.8 decibel, which is roughly around 1%. In rolling resistance, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 has 4% lower resistance than the Nokian Remedy WRG5, making Michelin slightly more fuel efficient. When it comes to price, the Nokian Remedy WRG5 is cheaper, translating to a 13% lower cost than the Michelin CrossClimate 2 in the 225/65R17 size. So, which one should you choose? If you prioritize wet and dry braking, efficiency and overall safety, Michelin CrossClimate 2 remains king. On the other hand, if comfort, subjective winter feel and price matter more, Nokian Remedy WRG5 makes a strong case.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.